This is our engineering and training preparation presentation with our topic being dynamics by Roseanne, Alex, Danielle, and Benicio. So for weekly study hours, it's 2 hours a week, only 4 sections, only 4 to 6 questions. Smallest section along with ethics and professional practice compared to other larger sections, which are 10 to 15 questions for geotechnical engineering.
So the next topic is the study materials. You have textbooks by R.C. Hibbeler, which are called Statics and Dynamics. And this textbook is good because there is a ton of example problems on dynamics within this textbook. And you can also just do a lot of reading to understand the fundamentals behind these problems. It's a great source for students if they want to get better at the FE. And then you have the practice exams. One source is the FE handbook because there's a ton of dynamic problems within this handbook. And if you time yourself, you're going to get faster at solving these problems. And there's solutions at the very end of the manual. So it's a great overall source. If you don't know how to solve the problem, you can go all the way to the back of it and then it'll show you the solutions. It's a great source, and it's made by the same company who is creating the final FE exam. So the problems that you're seeing in the handbook are going to be quite similar to what's on the real test. And then you have the online courses. You have Prep FE, you have School of PE. Both of these you have to pay for. There's videos, there's example problems. They even have their own practice exams within on these platforms, and it's a great source for students. And these videos are cool because they will teach you how to solve the problem. If you're stuck on it, you can just keep watching these separate videos and they'll teach you how to solve these dynamic problems. And then you have YouTube. YouTube you don't have to pay for. And there's a lot of channels ran by professors who have already done the FE. They know what problems to teach their students, and you get right to it because they're not really trying to waste your time. They're giving you the perfect example problems on dynamics, and it's a great overall source.
The topics within dynamics include kinematics, mass moments of inertia, force acceleration, and work, energy, and power. These are the four subtopics within the main topic of dynamics.
List of contacts. 3 professors at San Diego State University that can help us with our topic and prepare us better for the EIT are Dr. Morsi, Professor Schraff, and Dr. Katz. They all have experience in dynamics such as thermodynamics, fluid dynamics, aerodynamics, moment of inertia, and they can give us example problems or help advise us on what to study for, or even spend time teaching us so we can be prepared to take it.
For the sample dynamics questions, the first is kinematics, which mostly deals with motion equations. In particular, this problem deals with projectile motion. As shown below, the motion equations are used to find the horizontal distance using the components of velocity in x and y direction. After that is mass moment of inertia, which deals with angular velocity and angular acceleration. On the right, you can see the equation used, which is Fc equals mv squared over r. After that is force acceleration, which comes from Newton's second law, F equals mass times acceleration. And finally, work, energy, and power, which includes energy equations like this problem below. It can also include work and power equations. Here are the references, and thank you.